Good morning, students. I am Robin, your computer teacher. Today we start our computer class. I hope all of you are well at home. Stay healthy, be happy. So today we start our second chapter, that is GUI operating system and introduction. GUI operating system and introduction. Okay, last class we are discussed about what are the different part of computer: input, process, output, IPO cycle, input, process, output cycle, etc. We have learned previous class. You all complete your textbook exercise very accurately. Okay, then we continue the class. GUI. Today in this class we can discuss about an operating system. What is an operating system? What is the use of operating system? What are the different types of operating system? These all things, basic things are we can study in this chapter. Okay. So you imagine, how can you manage your home activities very perfectly and very efficiently? Yes, your parents are coordinates and combine all the activities in your day-to-day life in your home. Like computer also, some programs are used to coordinate all the activities inside the computer. This type of softwares are called operating system. This type of computer softwares are coordinate, control, supervise all the activities of the computer system. Okay, go to the topic. Yes. You look at this picture. In this picture, a family is. Your parents look after all the household activities such a manner that you do not have to worry about them. All the activities of your household activities are controlled by your parents. So you don't worry about the food, your cloth, your traveling. All things are coordinated and controlled, managed, supervised by your parents. Like that, computer also, some programs, some softwares are used to control all the activities of the entire computer system. These type of softwares or programs are called operating system or OS, operating system. Likewise, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. That is the supervisor. That software is the supervisor. That software is the controller. That software is the coordinator. All activities are controlled, coordinated, supervised by this particular program called OS. That is operating system. Operating system. Okay, these all activities are controlled by inside the computer, that is operating system. Which type of operating system? Which operating system you know? Any operating system you know, please tell me. Yes, you know Windows. Yes, Windows. We go through this. There are Lot of operating systems are now available. First one is the symbol, you know, all of you are familiar with this symbol, is it? Yes. Okay, this symbol is which operating system symbol? Yes, Windows. Windows. The next type of operating system, this one. This is the symbol of Mac. Mac OS. Mac operating system. All of you know about Apple computers. Macintosh is the operating system that worked inside the Mac, Apple computers. Apple computers use this Mac OS. Then next one here, another operating system. This is a penguin symbol. This is one, Linux. This is another operating system. These are the three main operating systems used in our day-to-day life or in our computer system. Okay, Windows, then Mac, Linux, etc. are some of the most popular operating systems. Clear? Windows, Mac and Linux are the most commonly used operating system nowadays. The popular operating system is Windows. Windows is a popular operating system now. Around lakhs of computers are used this operating system, Windows. Who developed this operating system? Which company has developed this operating system? Are you know? Microsoft. Microsoft developed this operating system. It is developed by, who is the chairman of Microsoft? The early days, who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. Microsoft Corporation is the one of the best company in USA. This company developed this Windows operating system. Okay, this operating system used so many commands, so many interfaces, so many activities, so many commands, menus, etc. are used in this operating system, Windows. Okay, these commands or menus through which user communicates with an external device or program are called interface. Interface. Come to the next topic, that is interface. Interface is a link between user and a computer. Interface is a link between user and a computer. We can use so many commands, so many menus, so many buttons, all things are we can use to interface, to communicate with the computer system. These particular things are all called interface. So interface is a link between user and computer. There are two types of interface are there. There are two types of interface. You take your textbook and take chapter 2. All of you take your textbook. Take chapter 2. Okay. Okay, chapter 2. Chapter 2, in the page, there are two types of interfaces are there. First one is command line interface. This is CLI, command line interface. Example of command line interface is DOS. DOS means disk operating system. DOS means disk operating system. DOS means disk operating system. It is an interface for command line interface, CL. Okay. The next one is another interface is called a graphical user interface. That is GUI, graphical user interface. For example, Windows. The command line interface is very difficult to communicate. So we can use Windows is a graphical user interface is nowadays popularly used. So command line interface like DOS, disk operating system, is nowadays not in use, not in commonly used, but the graphical user interface is nowadays very commonly used interface. That is the example is Windows. Windows is an example of graphical user interface. GUI. Shortly we can say that GUI. GUI is a graphical user interface. Its example is Windows. In this Windows we can use, there are a lot of menus, there are a lot of buttons, there are a lot of pictures, that means icons, there are a lot of graphic mode, then buttons, menus, etc. are used in Windows. So this type of user interface is commonly used nowadays. This is the graphical user interface. Mouse is an example. Mouse is a very useful device for graphical user interface instead of keyboard. We can use keyboard to communicate with the computer system. Also, we can very easy to communicate with the computer system is mouse. Mouse is a graphical user interface. We can clicking, dragging, double clicking. Then all activities are work with the help of mouse. That is graphical user interface. Okay. Then next one, we can, in this chapter we can study the detail about Windows 7. There are a lot of versions are available. I will tell you. First one, Windows 3.1. Second one is Windows 95. 1995 the Windows developed Windows 95. Then Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows 2003, Windows 7. Then now the latest Windows operating system, which is the now latest operating system, Windows 10. Very good, very good. Windows 10 is the latest operating system developed by Microsoft. Okay, very good. So in this chapter we can discuss about Windows 7. Windows 7. Windows 7. Okay, Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft. Microsoft is a company in USA. This developed by Windows operating system. Okay. This is the symbol of Windows 7. Then this is the symbol of Microsoft. Okay. Clear? Microsoft Windows is Windows. It provides a graphical user interface GUI that makes the interaction between the computer and the user. Okay. Windows 7 provides a graphical user interface. Graphical user interface that makes the interaction between the computer. We can, there are a lot of menus, there are a lot of buttons, close button, minimize button, maximize button, then there are a lot of menus, start button, then taskbar, like that. There are a lot of graphic environment is available in this Windows 7. We can go through this all. A very few little boy can operate this Windows 7 operating system very quickly. We use the mouse. We can use the mouse left click, right click, then a drag, a drop, all things are working in the Windows 7. Very quickly work with the and very easily work with the Windows 7. It is a popular operating system. It is a popular, it is an operating system. It is very lakhs of computers are used Windows 7. But nowadays Windows 10 is the most popularly used operating system developed by Microsoft. Okay. The next one, switching on a computer. How can you turn on a computer? Switching on a computer. Everybody know about that? And then also I can explain to you. First one, turn on the main power supply. Switch on the main power supply. You switch on the main power supply. The main switch on the main power supply. Then you have an UPS. This is an UPS. What is UPS? UPS, uninterruptible power supply. When the power supply goes up, the backup of UPS help us to work with the computer for a few minutes or limited time. For a limited time, we can work with the help of this UPS. We work with our computer system. That is a backup power source. That is uninterruptible power supply. UPS means uninterruptible power supply. Okay. Then switch on the UPS button. This is the UPS button. We switch on the UPS button. Then switch on the power supply button of the CPU. The third one, 3. This is the third option. This is the CPU power button. Switch on the CPU power button. Then also you can switch on the monitor power button. Fourth step, you switch on the monitor button. Once more I will tell you. First one, switch on the power button on the main power supply button. Then switch on the UPS button. Then switch on the CPU power button. Then fourth one, you can switch on the monitor power button. Then sometime the computer will starting up. The starting process of computer is called booting. Starting process of computer is called booting. Then booting is done by step. Then we get a screen. It is called desktop. Okay, desktop. It is called desktop. We can discuss about that. Desktop. This is the desktop of Windows 7. Windows 7 desktop. This is the Windows 7 desktop. Okay. The first screen, you see, the first screen appears with the labeled pictures on it is called a desktop. First screen that appears with the labeled pictures is called a desktop. Desktop, the first screen. Okay, this is the desktop. The entire screen is called a desktop. Here you can change a lot of pictures. Sometimes you place here your family photo. You are taking photos from Ooty or Kodaikanal, like that photos are appeared in the front of the screen. That is called wallpaper. Okay, wallpaper. Then some small pictures here. The small pictures. These small pictures are called icons. Small pictures are called icons. The icons, the small labeled pictures. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. Okay. Then taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar. This is the taskbar. I will show you. This is the long horizontal bar shown the bottom side of the desktop. It is called taskbar. Okay. This taskbar include many parts. The taskbar include many parts. First one, the right side of the taskbar is called notification area. Very good. Notification area. Notification area. This is the notification area. It is located the right side of the taskbar. Here you can see the date and time, then network icon, then sound icon. There are a lot of, for example, antivirus software, like that. All things are shown on the right side of the notification area. It is called a notification area. Notification area. Notification area. Then left side of the taskbar, there is called a, yes, start button. Very good, very good. Everybody know about the start button. It is a start button. It is located start menu. It is consume start menu. Bring the mouse pointer on the start button and click on it. When we click on this start button, a menu pop up. That is called a start menu. Start menu. This start menu contains. There are lot of menus and shortcuts are available on this start menu. Okay. Any doubt? No. So I will rewind it once more. All things. The first one, your GUI operating system. GUI operating system and introduction. Today in this class we can study about the GUI, that is graphical user interface operating system. Okay, later time they can use the computer is very difficult to use, so that time we can use the character user interface, CUI operating system. Okay, that is also called a CLI, command line interface, CLI. Okay, nowadays we can use graphical user interface, GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, our household activities are all controlled by our parents. Like that, computer system also controlled by operating system. Computer system is all controlled by input, output, process. Later class we can discuss about that. Input, process, output, storage, all things are managed by an operating system. There are a lot of operating systems are nowadays available. First one, Windows, Mac and Linux. The Windows is the popular operating system worldwide used. It is developed by Microsoft. Its founder is Bill Gates. He is the development of this operating system, that is Windows. The early disk operating system is also developed by Microsoft. MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. This is CLI, Command Line Interface Operating System is Disk Operating System or DOS. Then Graphical User Interface is GUI, Graphical User Interface. This is example of Windows. This is okay. The next one, the Windows 7 is the most popular operating system nowadays. All of the most commonly used operating system nowadays commonly used all computers, almost computers. But the latest operating system is Windows 10. Okay. Then Microsoft is the company who developed this Windows operating system. Then next one, how can you turn on a computer? First you turn on your main switch, then turn on your UPS button, then turn on your CPU button, then turn on your monitor button. Then sometimes you wait for the booting process. That first time we can loading the operating system to RAM. So that time we can sit back. That wait sometimes it is booting. Then booting we can get. After booting we can get the desktop. Okay, desktop we can. There are a lot of components are available. Icons, then taskbar, notification area, start button. These all things are included in the desktop area. Okay. The next class we can discuss the detail about that. Okay. Thank you. All of you are well at home. Stay happy. Be healthy. Pray to God. Pray to me also.